Okay, this video is about the Ninja Foodi replacement pans. They got like a 10 or 12 year warranty. Anyway, the bottoms are falling out of my pans, and then they're bubbling up, and then pieces are chipping off. So I called the warranty line. They're pretty quick, fast. You got to pay shipping though, like I don't know, like 30 bucks or less. You pay for shipping, and they'll send you new pans. Mine was the whole set. Was a disaster. Anyway, I don't know, some of them you can see better than the other ones. So the bottom parts are chipping off and everything. But anyway, this is the original one I bought a couple years ago, the Ninja. The handle is, it's got a piece on the end. The handle's a little bit different than the new one. The new one is, it's got a different shape, nothing on the end. But this one feels like something you'd buy at the dollar store or something. And this, the one I originally bought is it's heavy duty. Feels heavy duty. It looks like thinner or thicker metal versus this one. See them side by side. It's like paper thin compared to the other one. I don't know if that's better or worse. But if you throw them on the old scale here, this one here weighs 26.8 ounces. That's the original one I bought, original set. 26.8, and this one weighs 20.6. So I mean, it feels cheap and it looks cheap, but I don't know, maybe it'll last longer. But yeah, the bottoms fall out, and I don't think I'd recommend this stuff. But oh, and then it comes in, when you buy them, it comes in gray, like a grayish color. That looks like it's beat to death. Anyway, this is gray. And then the new ones are black. And then the one I just got in the mail, I don't know if you can see it, but it already came with a dent in the side. But I can live with that. Anyway, this, however many ounce pot that is, or I don't know if you can see it in there, but the bottoms, they're all happening on every pot. The bottoms boiling up and chipping off and everything else. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's pretty bad. Every time you eat something, a chunk of that goes into your food. All right, the big, I don't know, stock pot or something. It weighs, the original one weighs 58.7 ounces. And the new one, let's see what it weighs. Oh, 47.4 ounces. Big difference. Anyway, I guess it's not that big a deal if it works, but gives me something to bitch about, that's all. Thanks for watching.